Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Katarina Golden Baby TV. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. But before you go, do me a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and turn that bell on. Anytime I upload any video or I drop any video, you will be the first to be notified. And to my whole new subscriber, thank you and God bless you for being the part of my family. Today, let me call Buhari. Oh, if Buhari will go to this birthday, I'm already in the train. I did not even call this man since to tell him that if he will go to this birthday, because he need this kind of people to support the next election, to be in that position next year or this year or next 2 years. He has to mingle with this kind of people to be in that position. The DJ TV show husband is doing birthday. Buhari need to be there because these are the people that will stand for you to be in that position that you are now. Let me call him.
Yes. Hello. Who am I talking to?
Yes. It's Katarina Golden Baby.
Baby TV. How are you? Yes. You are talking to Buhari. Yes. You are talking to Buhari. Yes.
Okay. I just called to know if you will be in this birthday. You know, Lady J TV show, her husband is doing birthday. And you need to be in this birthday because you need people to support you for the next election.
Birthday? Okay. I don't want to go to any birthday because the people of the country they think that I'm taking the money, I'm eating the money, spending the money to travel. Mm, that should not be now because
But you have been
yes.
traveling from one place to another before now. I thought the last time you went to United Kingdom. If you can go to United Kingdom, you can still go to Germany.
Because yes, I go to United Kingdom before, but I don't think I want to leave the country again because the people begin to suspect me. Yes, they begin to suspect me. Okay. So I think maybe okay. I think we should discuss about the country because monkeys swallow money for the country before. Even snake they swallow the money from the country before. People think that I eat the
Time that you
money.
have been eating the country money. This one that you want to go to Germany for celebration, this is celebration. It will take you anything. Because why I call you for you to be in this birthday, this Lady J TV show. Her husband want to do birthday. I want you to be there so that you can see people that will support you in the next election, because people that have this I don't know what they used to call it, they do have money and they still have people that used to follow them, so that you can see people that will back you up in the next election. I think it's better.
Use the money to travel for different one place to another, for country to country. I could have liked to be in this birthday, yes. I could have loved to be in this birthday, yes. I could have loved to be in the birthday. But President Umadu Buhari, if I leave the country now, people will begin to suspect me again. Because I don't want them to suspect me again. Not that the birthday is not important. The birthday is important. And to even look, the person that is doing the birthday is Lady J TV show. His husband that is doing the birthday. The birthday is important to me too. Eh, I love to be there because I could have loved to be there. And okay. You know what, Katarina Golden Baby TV, you know what? I could have go to the birthday because the birthday is important because I in the coming election I need people like that to vote for me. Especially the wife is a blogger. and I need them to vote for me.
Now, is first class that I took. Yes,
Okay, you
first
are
class.
already in the train going to Germany now? Okay, no problem. No problem, because I don't want the people to I don't want to fail the people of the country because they have already failed. So when you get to Germany, help me to tell a DJ TV show husband that next year I will be in this birthday.
So that I can arrive there very fast. They have beds, they have everything. In fact, it's a living room safe. The place I am now look like a living room. They even serve me food. Okay. So what are you telling me now that you are not going to be in the birthday? That you will send your vice president. Anyway, it's still good. If you can come or your vice president come, it's almost the same thing.
If I cannot make it to come, I can still send my vice president. Yes, to be in the birthday. Mm, the country has been corrupt, but based on the people that is in the country, they are already corrupt. So any slight mistake, they put it on President Buhari head. What I need to say, you will help me to wish him happy birthday. Tell him that President Muhammadu Buhari cannot make it to come this year, but next year I will try. If the election make it possible for me, I will try. But what I want to tell you, extend my greeting to Lady J
No
TV show
problem now.
host.
I mean, okay, no problem. Take off yourself. Buhari, Buhari. All right, all right. Ah, I thought I had want to say Buhari go this birthday. I don't know say the country of the country progress see hold on. Now wow, now say the country problem. I drink water. And this water they fit give us for train when I for back a ticket of how many euro. Drink water. Now wow. Buhari say he say the first thief monkey first swallow money for the country. Wetin come concern monkey concern country concern birthday when I dey go? Wetin make me even call you? Because you need people like this to support you for the next election. Because if people like this not support you, you go lose. I no know sha o. Anyway, any which way na way you go, you not go, you say your you say your vice president or you go na the same. So that make you see people wey go support you for the next election, because all these kind people not dey there, you not go win o, because you need to win. Lady JTV show na blogger. If he blog the thing, put for Instagram, put for Facebook, put for YouTube, put for Twitter, people go know say na you dey win. But if you not go this birthday now, there is no how when the Lady JTV show go take blog this the next election put for your channel itself. Because if you blog and now you go win. You see, you no wan go. You wan say your vice president make they go the Lady JTV show husband the birthday. Anyway, you come o, you not come o. Katarina Godi baby, I don dey there. Wetin dem dey serve for dis train? E no sweet me. Na dream I dey. Na dream I just dey, God. Na dream I dey. say na Lady J husband birthday na just dey. Dey train dey go. I no know say na dream I dey. Oh, and wow, God. Till be time safe. Time don't go. Buhari, wetin be this one? Now why you go meet me for my dream now, Buhari? You hear say na me be people wey swallow money for the country? I mean, you hear say na my village people be the snake wey come swallow money for your country? Why you go meet me for dream? This is na dream, na who the birthday na dey, na train na dey na dey go the birthday. I don't know say na dream I dey. She can't tell she come be this one. I already promised Lady J TV show say I go do your husband birthday today. Pay me I cause Malala TV channel. Which can't it be this one now? Wetin Buhari dey find? Wetin you dey find when you never see? Wow, oh God. It's Malala, pick up. This one just tire me. I don't even expect this one at all. Hello, it's Malala TV channel. How far now? You don't even call me since. Body no your day, oh. You don't know that betting why I tell you say they go.
Yes, I no go again.
I no go again. Are you this side train? I just this side train for dream. I seen a train I there. They go journey. Buhari yoko call me oh. Me and Buhari yoko dey discuss. As I wake up now, see say na dream. Now day. God.
Nigeria Buhari abi which Buhari abi na Buhari.
Now many Buhari. No woman do Buhari now. How many Buhari you know? Do Nigeria Buhari now? You go dey complain about the country for me. I just tired. Go dey talk about the country that they suspect and like say na maybe na my village people turn to snake who swallow money. I just tired. My God. I just tired. And I don't even promise her say I go before 12. I don't reach there. Now sit time. Hi God.
You know what? Just go sleep again. You'll see Buhari. See her better slap. So that you will reach where they go.
I just tired for Buhari. I don't know what he go for. I wish he just relax. Just they talk to me like say na the full country they talk to. Oh my God. I just waiting and what do now. I just to wish her happy birthday for you now. Just tired. Okay, you know what? I'll call you back again. May I first call my godmother whether he husband birthday whether you know say the hall where they carry now church hall and today now already Sunday they go use them for church. My sister, me dey even say if I already the opportunity to tell know your husband and the husband go good to support Nigeria politician next year at least better person go still enter the post.
Maybe they make you dream of Buhari.
I don't know, my sister. May I call her first whether the church people don't resume. They never resume. Say the birthday see they go make I know. All right now.
Okay, no problem now.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what you dey fight for my dream? Imagine I tell me how you dey. Anyway, make I wish my special person, my godmother husband, happy birthday. Happy birthday. The one and the holy man, the handsome man. Hey my God. The birthday which they come for your beloved wife, Lady J TV show. He say make I tell you say happy birthday, long life and prosperity. He say oh, no you no know God though. He say you go rain. They call you rainer. He say the time when you take the rain so now that time Now Buhari can't say he won't show himself. He say it no go happen. Say make I tell you happy birthday. And your wife say make I tell you say next year celebration. He say he go spoil everywhere with your love, with the omedemede, pepper soup everywhere, pepper soup. He go spoil everywhere. Say this birthday where you complete, say he wish you long life, prosperity, more year, more grace. Anywhere you dey go, he say more grace. He say your bank alert na kpakan. So me join now and my crowd where they follow me, where you know, where your wife know. The crowd where they follow me say we wish you happy birthday. Father to the nation, we wish you happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Who not know you not know God though. Me and my crew we say happy birthday to you, long life and prosperity. This year when you complete, you not go die for small pikin. You not go die for old age. In Jesus' name. Back for you. May use this song today. Now your time when you ring. To my godmother, happy birthday to your lovely husband. This birthday wish is coming for your wife.
One thing about me, say I still love you, still carry. Nobody bad, nobody bad.